So we sent Al to the parts store yet again because he's gonna go get a starter. But we're gonna take a look and just kind of go over some of the things that we've done already. All right, she's pretty much ready to get bolted up to the trans. All the rockers and everything are adjusted. We put the valve covers on just to keep shit out of there, kind of stuff. You know, you'll see Gary actually getting to do some work today. He's having fun. And then over here in box number 3, subsection R/Q, we have a TKX transmission from Tremec. So I'm looking forward to messing with these because I haven't had the pleasure of playing with one of these yet, but I'm assuming this will just slide right in. And if it doesn't, we'll blame Al. Does that sound right, Gary?
That's what we always do.
Oh, yeah. All right, guys. We'll be getting to this in a few minutes here. Back at it. All right, so we got our starter, but here's the issue that we're running into. So what we got going on, we go to seat this bad boy home, and she says, you know what? I don't think so. See the gap right there? It'll slide in pretty much everywhere else except for that gap. And what I found by looking at it, got a nice lip that's all around here that you can grab where everything can slide in except right by this bolt boss right here. There's no lip. So we're gonna try loosening everything up, see if we can get enough slide. Maybe we can get the motor plate to adjust a little bit where this will slip in, make itself nice and happy, or we'll have to get creative and do something else on it. We're gonna poke at this for a minute. So while Al's gonna grind off some of the starter stuff, we got the little man on here putting our bell housing back together. Oh yeah, you're on camera, little dude.
Come around.
It's sucking it up.
One more. All right, that's enough.
All right, go back to the other side and start tightening that up again.
Keep turning my hand first. All the way down my hand. Yep, ready, ready?
That's awesome. Good job, little dude.
Put your wrench on it. Hold it right here. And move that hand. Keep it fun. There you go.
Teaching him young, man.
That's good. Do this one now. Make sure it's tight by your fingers. All the way. Ready, ready? All right, go down to this one again.
We are on there. Hold on. Okay. Flat. Flat. Yeah. Flat to the ring. All right. Tap it again on the. There we go. So it's nice and seated.
Keep your hand on the bottom, otherwise they'll slip off. Yep. Okay.
All right, now I can get them top bolts.
We're going to switch out to this socket. So flip it over, push the black button in, and this will pull off. There you go. Push the black button in. Can you tighten these two? Oh, gotta hold the bottom. like that one.
All right, good job, kiddo. All right, Garrett, park them up. There you go.
See if this is your leg user.
All right, one sec. Let's take a look at our starter. Ooh, that should be.
The little bit right there.
They get on the wrong side.
No, it's from your mark across.
There to there, dude.
I said from this mark here, and you're like, yeah.
You said this mark, there to there.
Well, now we're just gonna make that a little longer, I guess.
Uh-huh. Hey, it's all good.
It's pretty nice though.
Yeah. No, it'll still see perfect. No worries. All right, now that we got the lip ground down on the starter here, fits. Hopefully it doesn't go. when you go to, you know,
Start it from
yeah. So it doesn't go. Uh-oh. Yeah, I guess we'll just, you know, put
Everything
that
else
in
works.
there and,
good for that to happen.
you know, it's easier to do these when they're not in the car. Look at that.
Skapow.
Eh? You gotta work them past the tight spot. Hey, you know, a little hot tube.
Copyright.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I'll have to edit that out now. Okay, lost him away.
Well, you can't help if that's how you sneeze.
Alright. Starter's in.
Get a battery and
Let's round this thing and see if it goes.
Moment we've all been waiting for. One TKX transmission, baby. Look at this big behemoth. Ooh, yeah. Well, I guess she gets to go play in her new house, huh?
Let's see that shaft.
Yeah, I know, right? Hold on, let me take off the condom.
oh, it's only 10 spline.
Oh, that would suck so bad. All right, we gotta pull the back plug out too, so we can spin it if need be. Whoa. Might have to slam her in gear.
Oh, it spins.
It's supposed to spin.
No, I know.
All right. So, set that up.
I'm gonna get back around on this side.
You want the jack under it?
No, I want a little bit of lube on her so she, you know, does things.
So it's happy.
Yeah. Lube is always good.
Let's just spit everything.
Okay. Well,
Then hit the car.
I did.
Are you mad? Or what?
She's a pretty one, that's for sure. I know you said you're not supposed to stick it in gear, but if we need to turn it, that's the only way you're going to be able to spin it is by spinning the shaft is when it's in gear. So the trick with these, with doing them on the ground, grab it like a child. Ugh. Try not to smash your fingers. kind of completely missing everything.
You want to give that another pump to lift it up or tilt it forward for him or something?
What do you want?
Let's go up a little bit. We're gonna have to. Yeah, you gotta bring it up. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, see if I can see what we got going on. The hoo-ha hole. She's gonna take a minute. Yeah, cardboard, because this concrete is really digging into my knee. It'll work. Preferably one without staples. Okay, let's try it again. Okay. All right, Al, what I want you to do is take the pry bar, engage the fork. Gary, you might have to hold it.
Yeah, I got
See
the
if you can
motor.
hit the, see if you can engage the fork, and I will see if I can get her to slide all the way home.
Is it going?
I don't think so. Give it a sec. You have to really hit hard on that.
No, I just don't want it to pop out.
Not yet.
I'm almost ready to push on the floor.
All right, give me a sec here. Let's.
When you're ready.
Yeah, go ahead. Got it? There it is. She's in. Okay. Where are the bolts?
I got them right here if you want to.
All right, you can let it go. It's good. It's in. So.
Just got to rotate her a little bit.
Yeah, I want to get a try to get a bolt in there before so I
Coming
can
towards you.
get my hand out of there.
There you go.
Perfect. All right.
You can get that top side on that side.
Yep. It's this way I can get my hand out from underneath
Oh crap! I wasn't recording. Can we do it again?
it. Okay. Oh, we got that. Oh, thanks. This is like my hands all lit. I can't. Okay. Ooh, which one is it? Is it this one? Yes, it is. All right, where is that wrench with the that ratchet with the 5/8 on it? Oh, right here.
Got it all ready for you.
Perfect. Oh crap. Ugh.
There you go.
Damn. Okay. That one will need the wrench. Just ask them why they ground this off. Oh, for the
speedo.
Speedo.
Yeah.
Smart.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is there a 5/8
Should be.
wrench in here?
Right on top.
Nope, that's 9/16.
That's the way the light.
How about over there? Got one? 15 will work just fine also, bud.
Or not. Usually you can get away with it. Yep, let's see.
Grab the 5/8 shorty.
He's got it right. Yeah, but I'm trying not to put stress where it doesn't need to go. All right. Grab the torque wrench and we'll button her down to 65 footers.
Go ahead.
All right. Torque this bitch down to 65 foot-pounds. And that last one. All right, we have one TKX transmission on the motor. Sweet!
So pretty.
That is pretty. All right, the moment 3 of you have been waiting for. Yeah, that guy over there and maybe that guy.
What about that guy back there?
Maybe him back there too.
I think he means us 3.
Yeah, us 3. We're gonna try to stab this thing into that thing. Wish us luck. I can double speed it. And stuff when we're not talking, we can always double speed. We're gonna kind of get it into place, then we'll get it over and then it's probably gonna take all 3 of us to move this thing into position. This is known as. This is mildly terrifying. You want to just pick up the table? Probably. Probably. Easy. Easy. Yeah, a little bit. Alright, bring her in. Ooh, this is gonna be challenging. Yeah, but we can get the tilt we need. So push it in more. Alright. That's good. Start bringing it down a little bit. Good. Bring it in. Easy. This is where it's going to get interesting. We need a real good angle on here. Let me get on the other side. See if I can grab that angle.
Push in a little bit more.
There we go. Yeah, push the, you're going to want to push it in.
I'm thinking against the garage. Boss, down. Bring it down. Coming down. Yeah. All right, go forward a little more.
Yeah, can you go forward?
There we go.
Alright.
I mean, I can come down. I can't really come down anymore because of
Now,
I got head finished until the core. You want a stool, Chris? You want a step stool? I got a step stool. You're getting older.
let's get the step stool.
You're getting older, sir. You're getting older.
Better watch that stuff. we should have done was put it on the front hook. That was a really big mistake. Oh, yeah. Until we still can.
I don't know. Oh, that's the coolant from the core support.
Woo!
Ready?
Kind of.
I can go in a little bit.
Put your hand in here. That's my ankle. It's okay.
Oh yeah. Alright, ready?
Yep.
I'm solid. Oh, I'm against the bumper.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no.
As far as we go.
Oh no!
Yeah.
That is not good.
Must be kind of.
That's not good.
Watch your shifter. Why don't we take that off?
Yeah, that was gonna be my next suggestion.
If you take that off, that'll give us more leverage.
All right. Back this out.
Pull it back out. Alright, let me come up a little bit then.
Get up, go.
Well, I know. I'm still on corner. Want to go here?
Or I think we should put it on the front one.
That's fine.
This way we get more thing.
So. A little more.
You're gonna have to go all the way out.
No. The shifter was stuck under the lip. That's why I pulled it out. That's the reason. To get the bottom of the bell.
I thought you said we were stuck on the bumper of the car.
This,
Yeah.
yes. But the shifter handle,
Yeah, pull out the lip.
because it was hitting the lip, the pitch bar.
We're good now. I mean, we can pick it up and swing it out.
Okay. Ready? Got it.
All right.
Clear, go ahead and set it down. And the other problem we're going to have is,
Well, if that is,
well, we got the other motor out with the same problem.
then we spin it.
Round two of trying to stuff that one into that one. No, I'm just kidding. Go in there. Just make it happen.
I mean, Chris, you pick the transfer, pick up the motor.
Yeah, I'll get right on that, bro.
It's half aluminum.
Yeah, half. The heavy half. Yeah, we're definitely going to be picking that up for sure. Just shut up and pump it up.
I'm pumping. Sweat in my eyes.
You got two, don't bitch.
I don't believe you.
You don't need eyes, Jack. You do it in some of your best work in the dark, right?
These are eyes closed like this.
It's only an hour-long show.
We'll get two
Yeah.
episodes on this.
Yeah, I try to keep these two. I know, I try to keep them somewhat.
Hey, we're keeping you chock
Yeah, you know,
full
it keeps my content going. Like the 3 hours it's going to take us to get this in here after we have to take the trans off and install it separately.
It's only 4 bolts.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying that's probably what's going to end up happening. Isn't that bad? Because I've done that a million times. That's all
Well,
you
we
should
did
do
take
when
this out as one unit.
Yeah, did.
Taking things apart is easier, right?
Huh?
Some days.
Look at the angle now we got though.
Yeah, you can just pick it up and shove it in the
Yeah,
hole.
shove it in there.
All right, Arnold's.
It's not Arnold's, it's Germans.
We don't talk on anything. We just go to it.
It should be good.
Should be, but you know.
You never know. Shall we, boys?
Sure, why not?
Moss?
You got it, Garrett? Yeah, you just keep going.
Well, at least we don't have to worry about hitting the balcony. Why didn't we make that longer?
Why didn't we just tie it to the balcony?
Yeah, that would have been smart. And then just
Oh, we
drop
could
it
have
in.
done like one of those little chain pulleys.
Yeah, you know, we got a chainsaw.
You got a
Hey,
winch,
come
right?
along.
Come over.
Yeah. Come any way you want.
Alright, should we lift it? See how we are?
Yeah, let's get this thing into the car.
Into the engine hole. Yeah. Watch your ankle gear.
These guys.
Oh, that's way better, huh?
I think so. That's a nice angle. Look at that, man. We're cooking. Yeah, you let it go, Gary. Come on, shove it. Shove it.
Shove it, Dean.
All right.
Put my... Yeah, I'm right at the garage situation. The crack of the garage.
Yeah, that's the other crack. 1, 2,
Sweet. Come down some.
yeah, bring it down. Let's see if we can. It's gonna be interesting.
I think we're in a better situation.
Yeah, I'll say that.
Oh yeah, look at. We got room to go forward still. Half the pan's almost clear in the core. Stop. Come forward.
All right, that's as much as you got. Bring it down a little.
I have another inch to go forward.
Okay.
So you guys are gonna have to push the motor. Hold on, let me go that last little bit I got. Okay. You should clear it.
There you go. Whoa, okay. Good.
Wait, we put the motor mounts on it.
What's a motor mount? Okay. Bring it up. Yeah, let's get the jack underneath there. And I don't know if our strap line is going to work as well as I hoped it was, but
Well, I can come back up and kind of push it in as it comes in.
the jack might work a little bit better.
Since that third hole is the charm there.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
Can you either lift the motor or come up with the...
I'm lifting. Well, is it lifting the motor and coming up the same thing?
It's still recording. The magical world of editing.
All right.
Ooh.
Keep going.
We're going to have to just push. The problem is we got to be able to get the headers in there, too. Yeah, we have her all jammed up on this.
Alright, that might be a good spot.
I'd say let's try lowering it some and see what the frick is she gonna do.
Push it back a little.
Yeah, see what she's gonna
Let me know
do.
whenever he's ready. Watch out here.
Yep.
Are we coming down or want me to move?
Yeah, go real slow.
Because the header might be in the way now. It slipped. Alright, let me move that header.
This one's clearing so far.
Well, this one fell. It's sitting on the motor mount.
I don't know if this is gonna be long enough.
Oh, there we go. That one we have right there.
I was wondering why my hand felt warm. Or cool.
Coming down. This thing, like, we're going to be hitting right there in the primary. Where you see it?
Just past the
That's a humpty hump.
creamery.
Oh.
Oh, fart. Ah, crap. There you go. There it is.
Alright, leave it just like that. Hook on it.
Yeah. We're still stuck on it. Jack it up a bit. So we get a couple inches here. Woo! Hold on.
Little boss.
Doesn't want to play nice.
Right here.
Oh!
Oh!
Perfect.
Oh, wait, grab a header bolt.
Dude, someone give me header bolts!
Working on it.
Oh, I found this! I found the sweet spot! I got it lined up right on the head!
Where the fuck are the header bolts? I just saw. I don't know if these are them, but I bet you they're gonna work.
Yeah, those are header bolts. There you go.
Put one in the back.
Whatever you can do. Got it?
Yeah, that's happy.
Oh, fuck yeah. I can't believe that just fucking happened. Alright.
Found it! Yes!
Aw. No, I thought I ripped my shirt.
Well, alright.
How's our angle?
You wanna look at the other side?
Oh my god, baby Jesus.
Did it fall into place?
No. It's pretty bad.
There, you okay?
Yeah. I might just be able to put this one on also. Alright. Stabilize it. You know what's right? Oh, shit. That's what I'm gonna do. Right there. Ish. Alright. Okay. That's cool. Yeah, you did a twist and nipple, but this is a whole new thing right there. No, tan in there. So I can just got it.
Oh, that was easy.
Yes. Huh.
Interesting.
Very.
Wow, we just kind of go down and push it in.
Basically.
Holy shnikes.
All right.
Down?
Yeah. Bring it down a little bit so that we can shove it forward. And then here you have to lift up on the back end. Yep. All right. Hold on. Where are we sticking?
Where we stuck?
Feel like we're on the headers. Feel like we're stuck. Can you get the jack underneath the back of the trans?
No, the trans is touching the tunnel. I can see it from here.
Is it?
Yeah, so it's almost like it just has to come down more, yeah?
Problem we got
Down
is-
and forward.
Problem we got is the headless in the bay.
Want me to bring it up a little bit?
Yeah, bring it up a little
Get it
bit.
pushed over.
And maybe we can push it over.
There we go. Okay. Kind of push forward to come down. Ready?
There you go.
There you go.
Oh,
I
get this
I
side.
stopped it
Hold
because
on.
we got to go forward. Want it up a little bit?
I gotta get this side's resting on here. So.
So where am I going? Up or down? A little up?
Hold on. Oops.
Up.
Yeah, bring it up just a little bit.
There you go.
Okay.
What are we stuck at?
We're not stuck anymore. All right.
Come down?
Yeah.
Gary, lift up.
Alright, hold on.
Pan's gonna hit the. Oh, well, pan is on the cross beat.
Yeah, I'm coming up.
Run the back of the dealie.
It's almost like we're out of chain. See?
That's the problem. We're out of chain.
You out of chain.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Shit. Alright, so.
Hold on. Well, Gary, put the jack underneath there to steady it. And then we can let it sit on the, we can let it chill on there. It'll be just fine.
And then
I got
maybe
more.
you know what we could do is put a strap in here. Put the hook on there and tie it through here. We're only lifting it to push it back 4 inches.
I'll say I've also got the chain in my truck too, so. Oh, that's much better.
Oh yeah.
Dude, we got a ton of room now.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Alright, we're gonna get under there and have to jack up. I need to jack up the tail.
I'm gonna come down a little bit. Give you a little bit more room to push.
Want the tail up more?
Yeah, tail up more.
Oh.
I'm
Oh.
almost there.
Oh, a little bit more, Gary.
I'm almost there. Drop her down.
Don't
Oh.
stop now.
Oh yeah, I'm almost
We're like
there.
an inch. We're an inch.
I'm almost in on
Tail
this
up
side.
more.
Ah.
Oh!
Oh yeah. Oh, she went in. Jack it up. Jack it up.
I saw my opportunity and I had to take it. The thing was swinging. I'm like, no!
Would have finished it strong.
I'm like, there it is.
Little did we know we were celebrating that victory way too early.
I probably got to come down a little bit over there.
That one. Yeah. Well, all right. Let's get. All right. We'll get one in, and then we'll get the other one in.
Come down now.
Well, this one's got to come up. Hold on. Let me get the fucking pry bar.
Okay.
There's a blue crowbar right there to.
There hasn't been a motor in this car in like 2 years.
Well, maybe that changed. Okay, maybe that's not going to work as how I envisioned it.
You want me to come up a little bit, or?
Yeah. One more. Oh, almost. Oh, I'm almost there. Go down.
Make sure you spit on it first.
Bring it down. Up. One more.
Little hawk to it.
Where you need?
I am like right there, dude.
Up or down?
Down.
You need the tail moved any?
Should. Hold on. Oh, too much. Can we tip on that side a little? Damn. Pick it up, Al. Okay, bring her down. Slowly. Slowly.
She's going slow.
Gotta be a way I can fucking do
Here.
this.
Gary, give him the index.
Ooh, that's my watch.
You got two.
Up or down?
It might be right there. Ah, just gotta go down a little bit.
Oh, she's loose.
It's loose? Oh, Jesus. It's like right on it.
Let me try to jack up the tail a little bit.
Yeah, jack the tail up a little bit and see if it kind of
I don't know if I gotta go up.
twings. Oh. Can you go up a little?
Yeah.
Probably just try shaking the motor. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, it's such a... Oh, we're going! Okay. Someone get the hammer.
She threw?
Almost. I need hammer. Give me that ball peen right behind you.
Camera guy's got it.
All right.
We're full service over here.
Oh, really?
It's probably gonna have to go up in the back a little bit to get it to go all the way through. I don't think we can go up in the back anymore.
All right, I'll set the front down.
I'm halfway in, but I'm not all the way in. Whoa, shit. Cannot see us the dams.
So I already see another problem right now. What? How far off the other motor mount?
I was just gonna say, that's pretty far off.
We got twist, don't we?
You could try starting
Oh,
the second one, and
shit.
then that might line you up in the back.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
That could be a problem.
Yeah. Doing the old motor mount still. But it's supposed to be brand new for this car.
Yeah, I don't even know if you could rock that and get it over.
Yeah, I don't think so. Fuck.
Got some big old spacers. This is where you have your CNC machine. You just cut out a.
Yeah, right.
Huh.
Yeah. It's a problem, yeah?
Huh. Okay, so after some research and stuff, you know, we were kind of fucking around with this motor mount. Be like, why ain't this shit lining up? Apparently, some people have run into this problem. Yay, which makes it easier for guys like us who do this shit. So apparently on the motor mount that attaches to the body, depending on what year, or what month, or what day, or what hour it was, Ford didn't put in the second hole for, I guess, the 302. The other ones were set up for the 289s and whatever else, slant 6, whatever the hell else is. So we had to drill a second hole in order to get the motor mounts to set up. So hopefully this works. We're gonna bolt it back on, then we'll retry it. I'm not sure if we have to do this to both sides because dude didn't say in his video, but we're gonna check this out and we'll let you know. All right, we got one side motor mount drilled out. We're installing the other one right now. Actually, Gary's installing the other one. We're gonna
This shit works.
we're gonna see what happens if yeah, we can talk. Sorry, we're tired. Let's see when we drop the motor, what it's going to do. We still gotta put the motor mount back on, but
Come on, you bitch.
whatever. Hey, look, everybody, we're back. We're trying for round number. I don't know.
I ran out of fingers.
I can't count that high. I went to public school. Leave me alone. All right,
Hey, so
let's
that-
make it
you're
happen.
tripping over all day. Is it Jack? Want to look the back up?
What about my jacking off? Huh?
Very good at it.
Oh.
Back up.
But I like to be the one to stick the things in on the holes. Oh, we gotta push it or something?
Yeah,
No. That's not going so good now, is it, gentlemen? I thought we didn't have the jack on it when we pushed it forward, no?
Or just lower the front. No, lower it down.
Dude, we're like way the fuck off. This is even worse than it was before. At least we had it on. Oh, jeez. No, that's not. No, that's not working. Well, our jack is in a bad spot. Well, I tripped over it like 4 times, so I probably knocked it out of position. You know, I'm just saying.
Tight.
Oh yeah, that's the sex. Right?
That wasn't what we needed.
There we go.
I gotta lift it up a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, give me the lift. I'm gonna put her hold.
Yeah. Something.
Ow! Ouch! Ugh.
Come down a little bit.
Maybe. Can't get it past
Is the tail like on the thing, or is it caught up on the strap?
the tail free. Can you check the tail here?
close to something. Exactly what, I don't know. Oh, fuck me. Yeah, can you lift it up in the tail? And then, up. Okay, drop it out. Okay.
Back a little bit more.
Well, I'm on this motor mount.
You can get that side. Hey, Gary, push the tail that way. Yeah. I can drop it a little more.
Okay.
Drop it.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh! What? That might work!
What? What? You're fucking kidding me! Hold on! Hold the fuck up! No fucking way! No fucking way!
There you go.
What?
What? Stabby.
What? What? Upside down? I don't know at this point. Don't care.
Holy cow.
What?
Well, let's see if this is going to work.
Okay. So we think we got it. After drilling that fucking motor mount dealie, I mean, we're pretty much in the holes. We just gotta tweak it and we think we're in.
Sad to say, once again, that victory was short-lived. The motor mounts still had other ideas.
Just gotta adjust it a little bit. I want to reload. Oh, you gotta come over towards you. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Holy shit.
Here, you know what?
Probably just need to jack her up a little.
Yeah. Can you lift them?
Oh, you know what? I'm right here. Let me give you the pump.
Pump it up.
A little bit more.
I'm going nice and slow. Too much. Here, I'll hold this. Ooh. Did you get it?
How's your side look?
I haven't checked yet. I am still off, but I think once your side goes in, my side will go in. Oh, as soon as I drop, I'll go in.
Go ahead.
It's gotta come down. Up. Out. Can you bring it down now?
Come down.
Oh,
Oh.
I'm in. Give me the hammer.
Oh, it's right there.
Okay. Twist me, Gary. Give me some twist.
Twist. All right. So on this one,
We're
Gary,
warmer.
look at this.
So it's like right there.
If we lower it down,
Set it down, Al.
take this.
Take the
I got it.
Oh my god.
Is this gonna work? Oh! You went too far. Where am I? Oh no! It is off ever so slightly. Maybe we do have to do both.
Sounds like a good project for another day. Damn, look how close we are now.
It just makes you wonder.
If we have to do both.
Yeah. Focus, you fuck. Yeah, because if the other one's lower, then that's going to move the other one lower.
Oh, wait.
Hold on a second.
Hold on a
wait,
second.
Wait. No.
Give me the camera and you push on the motor.
All right, push it towards Gary.
Yeah.
No.
Now?
It's got. Can you
Come
jack up?
Yeah, I'll jack up.
Now push towards me, Chris.
Oh, I'm pushing as hard as I can. Oh! Shut the fuck up.
No.
Hold on.
Oh, there it is.
I'm on the wall, bro.
Wait a second, wait. Push that motor.
Are you on there?
No,
No?
it's still off.
I'd say hog it, dude. How off is it? Well, guys, we had one hell of a day today. Got a lot done. Unfortunately, we were slightly defeated by the motor mounts. Apparently there's mods you got to do, and we were close, and unfortunately we ended up tearing the motor mount that took Al almost a year to get. So unfortunately we got to call it for today, but we got a plan for next time that we're doing this. So stay tuned. We'll be back at you again. We're tired. It's stogie time and adult beverage time. Firecracker time. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, that's how bad it's gotten. Duds. We're all like a bunch of duds. Anyway. Like I always say, like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Later.